best thing you can get is Amazon Code Whisperer, which is the same thing as Copilot. It has a few bugs here and there, but I want to talk about how we can install it here. So first you have to, for AWS Toolkit in your VS Code, and then you install it. I'm going to let it install. I want to show you the steps from start to the finish. Okay. Once I do that, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to log this. Don't know why that showed up. And here. So I'm going to go to the Code Whisperer. And then next thing you have to do is just sign in with your AWS Builder ID. Or, let's see if we can go in without one. Okay. Do that. Open. See if that works. I just press Control V, pasted it, and it should start working. Well, I'm going to let you do these steps on your own. You just have to log in with your Amazon AWS account, and it'll start working for you. So that's it. And I hope you enjoy it. You can also use the toolkit for other AWS services like containers and all that stuff. But have fun.